Let me show you how I catch brook trout. First thing you'll need is a rod, a small sinker, and a small hook. I use an ultralight with 6-pound test, but if I was using this rod just for brook trout, 4-pound would definitely work. And you'll need some worms. I like night crawlers. Only use a half a worm if they're big ones. You're gonna want to find a small stream and find a pool in the small stream like this right here. So we're gonna get down in here and cast the worm right up into the bubbles. There we go. Just like that. Jeez. They're aggressive tonight. Ooh. This little hole might not look like much, but I bet there's a brook trout in there. Let's see. Oh yeah. Whoop. Right back in the water. Oh, shoot. That's a big one. Get another worm on. Alright. Right up in that current. No weight. No weight on the line. There we go. Whoa. Whoa. There we go. That's a good one. Get her to calm down. Oh my God. Look at that beauty. Wow, let's get her back in the water. Wow. There's already 2 out of this tiny little hole. Doesn't look like much, but there's fish. Alright. There we go. There we go. That was a quick one. There she goes. That was the last worm.